students, myself Mahbub Pasha, and today in this session we will continue the problems of exercise 6.2 of algebraic expressions and identities. Students, let us solve third question. Okay, so here in this one, what is there? They have given the table. In this rows and columns are there. Okay, so look at here. First monomial, second monomial. Okay, so what we have to do, students, means we have to multiply the term in the rows with respect to the each and every term in the columns. Okay, so here let us start the first one. Okay, now look at here, students, they have given one. Okay, so here first we'll multiply the term, that is 2x, with each and every term in the column. Okay, so first we'll multiply this 2x with each and every term in the column. Okay, they have given one term already, that is 2 2s are 4, x into x will be x square. Okay, now here nothing is there, means plus will be there, and here minus, so minus into plus will be minus. So now we are multiplying, just don't get confused, now we are multiplying this 2x with respect to terms in this columns. Okay, now plus into minus will be minus. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, and x into y will be xy. Okay, now come to here, students. So 2x and 3x square we need to multiply. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, and x square into x will be x cube. Okay, and now what we need to multiply? Minus 4xy with 2x. Okay, here minus is there, students. So what you need to do? Minus into plus, nothing is there, means plus will be there. So minus into plus will be minus. Next, 2 4s are 8. Okay, so 2 4s are 8. Now x into x will be x square. Okay, and here x into x will be x square, no? So here y is there. Okay, so x square into y is what? X square y. So what you are getting? Minus 8x square y. And now come to here, students. So what we need to multiply? 7x square y with 2x. Okay, now both the side plus is there, no? So 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Okay, so look at this one. Next, x into x square is there. X into x square will be x cube. Why x cube? Because exponential power will be add up when we are multiplying the variables. And here y is there now. So here write y. Okay, so what you are getting? 14x cube y. And so now look at here. You need to multiply this one, minus 9x square y square with 2x. Okay, so here my plus is there, and here minus is there. So plus into minus will be minus. Okay, now multiply the numbers. 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 9s are 18, and here x is there. So x into x square will be x cube. Okay, and here y is there, no? So write y square. Okay, so this what we have completed the first column. Okay, students, now let us multiply this term. Okay, the second term in the row, that is minus 5y with each and every term in the column. Okay, so now we are multiplying this like this. Okay, so with this term and these terms. Okay, now look at here, students. So now you need to consider this term and these terms. So here minus is there, and here plus is there. Okay, so here minus, here plus. Minus into plus will be minus. Okay, now multiply numbers. 5 2s are 10. Okay, and x is there, y is there. So x into y will be x y. Now come to the students. So look at here, minus 5y and minus 5y. Now we need to multiply minus 5y with minus 5y. Okay, now look at here, both the sides minus is there, no? So minus into minus will be plus. Okay, now multiply numbers. 5 5s are 25. Okay, now multiply variable. Y into y will be y square. Y into y will be y square. Now come to this. Now we need to multiply 3x square with minus 5y. Okay, so here minus is there, here plus is there. So plus into minus will be minus. Now multiply numbers, 5 3s are, okay, so 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. X square into y will be x square y. Okay, so 5 3s are 15. X square into y will be x square y. Now look at your students, come to this. We need to multiply minus 4xy with the minus 5y. Okay, so here minus into minus will be plus. Now multiply numbers. 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20. Here xy is there. Here only y is there. Okay, so now y into y will be y square, and here one more x is there, no? Okay, so here x is there. So you are getting x y square. Okay, so y square, because you are having two y's, here one y and here one y, but only x. Okay, now come to this. So here we need to multiply 7x square y with minus 5y. Okay, here plus is there, here minus is there. So plus into minus will be minus. Okay, now 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Here x square is there, here no x square. Okay, so right here only x square. Now y into y. Y into y is what? Y square. Y into y is what? Y square. Now we need to multiply this term with this one. Okay, that is minus 9x square y square with the minus 5y. Okay, now minus into minus will be plus. 9 5s are 45. X square is there, so write x square. Here y square is there, here only y is there. So y square into y will be y to the power 3, that is y cube. Okay, so here we have completed the second column. Okay, students, now we'll see the third column. Okay, so here what is there? We need to multiply this term 3x square with each and every term in this column. Okay, so they have given one already. They have given one. And now look at here. What we need to multiply? First this one. Both the side plus is there. Okay, so don't worry. Now 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, and here x is there, x square is there. So x into x square will be x cube. Okay, and now they have given second term, no, that is minus into plus will be minus. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, x square is there, so x square, and here y is there, so y. Now come to this, both the side plus is there, so no need. 3 3s are 9. Okay, x square into x square will be x to the power 4. Okay, now here minus is there plus is there. Okay, so minus into plus will be minus. Consider this one, students. So now 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12. X square into x will be x cube. X square into x will be x cube, and here y is there, so write y. Okay, now come to this one. So 3x square and 7x square y is there, so both the side plus is there, so don't get worried. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. X square and x square. Okay, so here x square into x square will be x to the power 4, and y is there. Okay, so there is no y, so right here only y. Next, here minus is there plus is there, so plus into minus will be minus. Okay, now 9 3s are 27, or 3 9s are 27. So here x square is there x square. X square into x square will be x to the power 4. Okay, now here y square is there is no y square, so write as it is. Okay, so here this what we have completed the third column. Students, now we'll see fourth column. Okay, so here what is there? Minus 4xy. We need to multiply this minus 4xy with each and every term in this column. Okay, now look at here, students. minus 4xy is there. Okay, so first you need to multiply this with 2x. Okay, here minus, there plus. So plus into minus will be minus. Okay, now 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. Now x into x will be x square. Here no y, here only one y is there, so write y. Okay, now minus 4xy and minus 5y. Okay, so here minus into minus will be plus. 4 5s are 20. Okay, so look this one and these terms. 4 5s are 20 and there xy is there. So here only y. Okay, so here only one x is there, no? So write x and y into y will be y square. Okay, now come to this minus 4xy and plus 3x square. So minus into plus will be minus and 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So x into x square. Okay, so x into x square will be x cube. Okay, so x into x square will be x cube and here y is there, no? So write y. Now come to this, both the side minus is that is minus 4xy minus 4xy. Okay, so here minus into minus will be plus 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. X into x will be x square and there is one y and here also one y is there. So y into y will be y square. Okay, now come to this 7x square y and minus 4xy. Okay, so plus into minus will be minus and 4 7s are 28. So 4 7s are 28. X into x, so here x square is there. Okay, so x square into x will be x cube. Okay, so x square into x will be x cube. Now y into y will be y square. Y into y will be y square. Now this one minus 4xy and minus 9x square y square. So both the sides minus is there, no? So minus into minus will be plus 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. X square into x will be x cube and y square is there 1y, that is y cube. Okay, so here we have completed the fourth column. Students, let us see fifth column. Okay, so here what is there? 7x square y and we need to multiply that one with each and every term. Okay, so now look at here. So first we need to consider this one. So there plus is there and here also plus is there. So plus into plus will be plus. So don't get worried. Now multiply number. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 and x square into x will be x cube. X cube. Here y is there. So here no y. So write y. Okay. Now come to this. There plus is there, here minus. So plus into minus will be minus and 7 5s are 35. Okay. So 7 5s are 35. So here x square is there. So there is no x square. But here y is there. There is y. So here what you have to write? X square and y into y will be y square. Okay. Now 7x square with 3x square. So both the side plus is there. So 3 7s are 21. Okay. And x square into x square will be x to the power 4. Okay. Now there is no y. So here only one is there. Y. So write y. Okay. Now what we need to multiply? Minus 4xy with 7x square y square. Okay. So here plus is there minus. So plus into minus will be minus. 7 4s are 28 and there x is there. So here x square is there. So, okay. So x into x square will be x cube. there y is there, so here also y, so y into y will be y square. Okay, now multiply 7y square with 7y square. Okay, so 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. X square into x square will be x to the power 4. Okay, now y into y will be y square. Okay, now plus is there, so this one 7x square y and minus 9x square y square. Okay, so plus into minus will be minus 7 nines are 63. X square into x square will be x to the power 4 and y square into y square into y will be y to the power 3. Okay, so here we have completed the fifth column. Okay, now students, let us see this one. Okay, so sixth column. So we need to multiply minus 9x square y square with each and every term in this column. Okay, now look at here. So here plus is there, minus. So plus into minus will be minus and 9 twos are 18. Okay, so plus into minus will be minus, 9 twos are 18. Okay, and x square into x will be x cube. X square into x will be x cube, and here there is no y, and here y square is there, so write y square. Okay, now we need to multiply this one, minus 9x square y square with minus 5y. Okay, so minus into minus will be plus, 9 5s are 45. Okay, x square in here, x square is there, so there is no x square. Okay, so only write x square. Y x square. Okay, now y square is there, there is y. Y square into y will be y cube. Okay, and now we need to multiply this term. Okay, that is minus 9x square y square with 3x square. So minus into plus will be minus, 9 3s are 27 and x square into x square will be x to the power 4. Okay, and y square, there is no y square. Okay, so write y square. Now minus 9x square y square with minus 4x5. So minus into minus will be plus, 4 9s are 36 and x square and x. Okay, x square into x is what? X to the power 3. Okay, y square into y will be y to the power 3, and now this one with 7x square y square. So minus into plus will be minus, 7 9s are 63. X square into x square will be x to the power 4. Y square into y will be y cube. Okay, next minus 9x square y square with minus 9x square y square. Okay, so minus into minus will be plus, and 9 9s are 81. Okay, x square into x square will be x to the power 4 and y square into y square will be y to the power 4. Okay, so this is what we have completed the sixth column, and this is the completion of third main.